Shut up.
What she was doing? There goes my baby.
What's she doing? There goes my baby. I think so. I think she did. Okay, you guys. I am on my way to get my hair done. So let's go. Alright, you guys. So I am underneath the dryer getting my stocking cap dry. I'm so hyped. I don't know why I feel so good today, but I really feel good. Is it because I look good? Is it because I look good that I feel good? Got my little shirt on. Alright. Art up there is really nice. It's really nice in here, you guys. So cute. Do they do nails over here? It's really, really nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, y'all, look at the baby. Yo, so this is the final product. My earring going. But this is how I look. I like it. It's cute or whatever. It's cute or whatever. You know, it's curved in the back. Got a little curl to it. I'm gonna get some flexi rods to make sure it stays the way it is. But I wanted to come on here and show y'all my hair. It looks so good. And my lip gloss.
Hey, she hype as hell, bro.
Period.
You hype.
Period.
You hype.
Period.
You hype.
Don't do me.
You hype.
Your cousin told me to tell you, stop playing.
What? What? I don't know what you talking about. Why would she be talking about that?
She told me to tell you stop playing. Cause I'm a baddie. You got a baddie on your hands. She did. She did. Watch what you see her. She gonna tell you herself.
She ain't gonna tell me.
She said, and when y'all get married, I want to be in the wedding as a bridesmaid. She did. I ain't piping it up. She did say that.
Piping it up. She definitely piping it up. She say hype. She look good.
It's hot out there. It's hot in there. Their air ain't working. It's working in the hair salon.
I thought you wasn't spending no money.
I didn't.
Thought you wasn't spending no money.
I didn't. It's a part of my money that I'm owed.
It ain't no part of your money that you owe. Where's my money? Where's my part of mine? Where I'm owed something too. I'm owed.
Now you owe something. Now you owe something.